You've wanted the full picture before you move. You've wanted to know how it will work, where it will lead, how everything will come together. It's not that you're coming from a place of rebellion, it's that you're coming from wanting to get it right. You don't want to waste time. You don't want to miss God. You don't want to step into something unless you know that He is in it, that He is with you. And the Lord's saying, I'm teaching you to walk with me one step at a time. As you take one step, I will light up the next. I'm not asking you to see the whole road ahead of you, but to trust me, to trust that I'm guiding and that I'm leading you each step of the way. As you are faithful in the step that is in front of you, you will see my faithfulness. Be faithful with the part that is already clear, and allow me to move and to position you. Allow me to light up the next part of the journey. As you obey me in the small things, I will show you that which comes next. As you are faithful in the small, more and more will be added, more and more will be given. Trust me and learn to trust me in the small things, one step at a time. Do not wait for certainty in every detail before you begin, but trust in my faithfulness. Trust that I am with you. Trust that I am the one who will guide and direct you. I am the one who is leading you along the right path. I am the one who is walking with you. You're not alone. This is a week where you will take steps of faith. It is a week where there are opportunities for you to move forward as you take one step in obedience and as you trust that I am the one who will give you the next steps. My light will shine upon the path before you. Take a step of faith and trust in me. Trust that I'm guiding you step by step. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.